Hello friends, in my previous tutorial we discussed how we can represent a singly linked list, and in this tutorial we will discuss how we can implement a singly linked list. So here in Eclipse I have created one class by name singly linked list. So friends, in our previous tutorial we discussed that singly linked list usually has a head node which actually holds the complete list. So first we'll create an instance variable of type list node. Now as you have created the head of type list node, we have to create this list node class. And in our previous tutorial we also discussed that singly linked list internally contains a list node class. So we'll create a static class by name list node. And we also discussed that this list node has two property. One is the data property and other is the pointer to the next node in the list. So first property is the data part. So private int data. Usually this data type can be any generic type, but in this tutorial and also the upcoming tutorial I will be taking it as integer type. We will also create a list node variable having name as next, because this next will be pointing to the next node in the singly linked list. We'll also provide a constructor. Now this constructor will take the data part. So whenever we create a list node, we only provide this data part, because when a new list node is created, its next by default points to null. So friend, this is how we actually represent a singly linked list in Java. In my upcoming tutorial, I will be using this class and also provide other methods. Friends, hope you like this video. Have a nice day.